Hey, Joe here with part 4 of my 7-part series with 1-minute lessons to stakeholders in a reliability game. Today, reliability engineers. Let's get started. Number 1, you are in sales. Like it or not, you are in sales. You know, we don't have a technology problem in reliability. We don't have a process problem. Plenty of information out there on the internet, in training sessions, magazines. It's everywhere. Everybody knows what to do. The question is, why don't we do it? And I'm telling you why. It's culture. How do you change the culture? You gotta sell. You are in sales. Big myth out there, folks. The myth is upper management knows my results. Folks, if you don't have a failure, management doesn't know that unless you tell them. You know, we have some similarities to safety. You know, if you don't have an accident, nobody talks about that. There's so much drama and things going on inside of a factory that you don't know those things. So we are in sales. A couple of those things that you can do to sell. Send 2 emails a week with a success story. Send a monthly report with OEE trends, PDM, Kaizen results. Insist on a monthly live meeting with the lead team to go through results, next step, and any help you want. And take a leader and go and see, grab their hand and go and see something. Show leaders how to use PDM tools. You know, take the fear out of those tools. That's my lesson for reliability engineers.